and I felt complete. And now my body fades behind the pressure rate, and I'm obsolete. But if the chance remains,
like in the video, you're gonna have to state that these are Walmart boards. Yeah, these are Walmart boards. It's like Walmart board test.
cannons down. My ears are blown to bits from all the rifle hits, but still I crave that sound. Your sword's grown old and rusty, but beneath the
Walmart board. Hard flip.
your sword's grown old and rusty, but
Oh! Fracture flip on a Walmart.
beneath the rising sun, it's locked up like a trophy, forgetting all the things it's done. And though it's been a long time, you're right back where you started from. I see it in your eyes, and now you're giving up the gun. I heard you play guitar down at a city bar where skinheads used to fight. You took a guy with a smile in your garbage style, used to save the night. You felt the coming wave, told me we'd all be brave. You said you wouldn't flinch, but in the years that passed since I saw you last, you haven't moved an inch. Your sword's grown old and rusty, but beneath the rising sun, it's locked up like a trophy, forgetting all the things it's done. And though it's been a long time, you're right back where you started from. I see it.
Oh shit. I just like destroyed the nose on this thing. I'll throw it. Make it better. Oh! Breaking yours. Walmart tray flip. Oh shit. Oh no. I hate these. I can trade flip, but I can't kick flip on them. Oh.
Break it.
That's like no effort. Just be like, hey, what's going on? Oh. Damn it. I don't trust them. Alright.
You want me to do it?
No! Shut it off for now. Holy shit. There's a clean separation. Fuck, I'm too old. Fuck. Ah! Clean up your mess.
That was fun!